of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise, Eastern Jack, and Parker counties. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Chico to 10 miles northeast of Lycan, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These storms may contain 65 mile per hour wind gusts. Locations in the track of this line of thunderstorms include River Wells, Weatherford, Hazel, Decatur, and Bridgeport. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Wise, Jack, and Parker counties until 2:45. Storms west of Dallas-Fort Worth could contain 65 mile per hour